Right, what we're going to do here is find the vertex of a quadratic equation. I'll explain exactly what a vertex is. I'm going to use my graphic calculator to do this. And we go into the graph menu, which is number 5. This is one that I actually drew earlier. And I showed you earlier how to draw it and also how to get the window, the view window, so that it's able to see this whole curve. Now, your quadratic, I'm going to attempt to draw it here. Obviously it won't be as good as the one on the screen. Okay, we already know that we've got a root here which is at 6, and we've got a root here which is at -2. Now what's the vertex? The vertex is the very bottom of the graph. It's the bit on the graph right here at the very bottom. So I want to know what that point is. So it's this one here. Now anytime I want to know something on my graph, I go to F5 and I get a whole list of things to do. Now the root is those, we've already done that. And we've got these two next, the maximum or the minimum. Well, if you look at the graph, it comes down, 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 and it's a minimum there. So I'm going to choose minimum, and it goes straight in, and it says the minimum is where x equals 2. So I'm going to put the coordinate in here as x equals 2, and the y number is -16. So that is the minimum point, and it's also called the vertex. Let's try another one. This one starts off with -x². So we need to exit from here and we need to retype in a different, or type in a different graph. So -x² plus 2x plus 8. Let's draw it. And as you can see, I can't quite see the top. It's actually changed from this U shape into an N shape. So I want to see the top of that. So I'm going to change my window and I'm going to give my Y max a little bit more room, maybe up to 10. Let's redraw. Oh, just about see the top now. So I've got my roots here and here. And if I go to Gsolve, I could work out the roots. But I actually want, now I don't want the minimum this time, I want the maximum point, which would be the vertex. So the maximum point is at 1, 9. So my vertex here is at 1, 9. So very simple to do with a graphic calculator. Now one further thing, the vertex also is the point where I can make a line of symmetry. So if I wanted to write the line of symmetry through here, that would be at x equals 1. Will give me a line of symmetry for the quadratic. So the vertex is also giving me the line of symmetry. So if I go back to that first one that I did and think, where's my line of symmetry? It's straight through the middle here. Let's just draw a line here that goes, hopefully it goes straight through like that, almost straight through that vertex. Okay, and that's the line of symmetry, and that line of symmetry takes to vertical line, so it's x equals 2. So I can find the vertex and I can get the line of symmetry all from my graphic calculator.